If you're looking for a reliable and professional home inspection service, well, you've come to the right place.
Hey, this is David with Selman Home Inspections, doing a home inspection over in the west side of Fort Worth. I think I'm almost in Weatherford, but just want to mention about garage entry doors. The entry door from the garage into the house should be a fire-rated door and should not have any penetration, should have good weather stripping in place. And anytime that we have a pet door installed in a garage entry door, that door is no longer a fire-rated door, and also can allow vehicle storage area vapors to penetrate the living area. So that door should be well sealed and tight, airtight. And I just want to remind everybody that's really not a good place to put a pet door in the garage entry door. Thanks, and have a great day.
No matter what type of home inspection you need done, you can count on us. Call or email one of our friendly staff now to schedule your home inspection.